What is this called? Cauliflower. What is this called? Broccoli. What is this called? Artichoke. What is this called? Banana flower. What is this called? Romanesco broccoli. What is this called? Zucchini flowers. What is this called? Cabbage. What is this called? Arugula. What is this called? Spinach. What is this called? Celery. What is this called? Lettuce. What is this called? Coriander leaves. What is this called? Mint. What is this called? Spring onion. What is this called? Bok choy. What is this called? Romaine lettuce. What is this called? Rapini. What is this called? Mustard greens. What is this called? Kale. What is this called? Beetroot. What is this called? Carrot. What is this called? Turnip. What is this called? Radish. What is this called? White radish. What is this called? Celeriac. What is this called? Rutabaga or swede. What is this called? Sugar beet. What is this called? Parsnip. What is this called? Horseradish. What is this called? Potato. What is this called? Tapioca. What is this called? Ericacia. What is this called? Elephant yam. What is this called? Ginger. What is this called? Greater yam. What is this called? Turmeric. What is this called? Purple yam. What is this called? Chinese potato. What is this called? Arrowroot. What is this called? Cucumber. What is this called? Pumpkin. What is this called? Tomato. What is this called? Eggplant. What is this called? Bell pepper. What is this called? Chili pepper. What is this called? Squash. What is this called? Bitter melon. What is this called? Zucchini. What is this called? Sweet potato. What is this called? Onion. What is this called? Garlic. What is this called? Leek. What is this called? Fennel. What is this called? Spring onions. What is this called? Asparagus. What is this called? Lemongrass. What is this called? Celery. What is this called? Kohlrabi. What is this called? Celtus. What is this called? Rhubarb. What is this called? Swiss chard. What is this called? Cardoon.